been donated by Eyomema USA International. This unit holds 16 beds in 2 wards. That's a total of 32 beds and 2 private wards, making it a grand total of almost 40 beds within one building. And this unit is going to be providing maternal and child health services within Manfe Integrated Health Center. So this is a significant donation for us. This is a legacy being made in Norman, in the entire organization, where a group of women called Eyomema International USA, they donated us this building worth more than 107 million, all agreed. And together with all their partner associations, the England branch, and
New England
branch, and other well-wishers within the association that succeeded to make this possible in Manu. So we just pray that this building will be used effectively, it will be maintained, for it to provide the essential services which will be necessary to make the donators proud of what they are doing. So we promise to give them the best, such that this building will be used effectively. Thank you very much.
As you can see, this is a medical director making his presentation about the donations from New England branch. This is the ward, one of the wards that is taking the beds that was donated by the New England branch. As you can see, it is written on the beds, Manu Women for Empowerment, donated by Manu Women for Empowerment, Eyomema USA Inc., New England branch, under the leadership of Ma Priscilla Ita. As you can see, there's a bedside cupboard. These are the beds. So this is the ward in general. This is just one of the wards. So the beds are 40 beds in total. Okay. And we also donated beds for the private room. As you can see, this is it. So this is a child. The child care unit also has our beds that we donated. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 beds a year. And you can see IV poles. There was another branch who donated IV poles. So the bed, the mattress, the bedside cupboards are all donated by our branch, by the New England branch. As you can see, donated by the New England branch. That's the bedside cupboard, also donated by the New England branch. So here comes the twins. They are coming to also show this unit. As you can see, this is a national president accompanied by the vice president number 1. The mayor is there, the paramount chief, as well as I think the SCO left, the medical director, deputy medical director of the Manfe Medical Hospital, Manfe General Hospital. Sorry, my friends on another vex, I don't care. It's not been easy. So you are the district medical director. Okay, what is your name, please?
My name is Dr. Henry Zonzone.
Dr. Henry Zonzone. Where are you from? Are you from Manu?
No, I'm from the Northwest.
From Northwest. Okay, nice. But you look so handsome, as if you're a Manu man.
I've already been eating Manu Eru.
Manu Eru, you've eaten a lot of it already.
It's already shining on my
I know. Thank you so much for being here, for everything you've done.
This ward, a children's ward, and maternity ward when founding mothers, we also get wash hand raising them. When we went to try as much as You wash your hand before you talk to the thing. Okay. All right, we'll go back to that side. Mommy,
See, okay, maybe when I show, but show what they get to where the one get. Outside. When I think wait also, you show the one outside them.